Welcome. This is a quick tutorial about 3D elements in Badvisor workflow. For those who are familiar with 3D, either if you are exporting your asset from Blender or any other 3D software, Badvisor will generate a parent node to help you organize your 3D elements better. If I go back into Blender and add an empty object as my parent, export this asset normally from Blender, and then import this asset into Badvisor. Now you will have the parent that you added in Blender under the parent that Badvisor generates for you. This can be really useful when you are working with multiple assets inside the same hierarchy, allowing you to quickly organize and move your assets in your scene. I hope this tutorial helps you to understand more about workflows. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.